The Delmia NC Shop Floor Programmer role, contained within SolidWorks Ultimate and the 3D Experience Works portfolio, is a virtual workshop environment where you can create, enhance, and validate milling and EDM programs. We've created an introductory series of tutorials to walk you through all the simple steps that you need to get set up and start using the NC Shop Floor Programmer role. First up, let's show you how to access the included application and create a desktop shortcut for the shop floor machining application. The NC Shop Floor Programmer role and associated applications need to be accessed for the first time via an internet browser. Head to your 3D Experience platform via the my3dexperience.3ds.com URL and log in with your 3D Experience ID credentials. If you're yet to set up your platform or are just getting started, then do make sure to utilize your dedicated customer success contact at Solid Solutions and check out the introductory tutorials and guides to using the 3D Experience platform that we've linked in the description. Once you're logged in, click on the compass in the top left to view all of your available roles and applications. We'll click on the NC Shop Floor Programmer role to view the applications contained within it, including the Shop Floor Machining app. Clicking on the arrow next to the app opens a drop-down menu to install the application locally on your machine. Run through the installation manager with the default settings. You may require administrative rights depending on your IT setup to install it. Once you have the Shop Floor Machining application installed, we can click back on the drop-down and create a desktop shortcut via the arrow in the menu. With the Shop Floor Machining application installed on your machine, open the software to meet a 3D Experience rich application. The application mimics the familiar browser interface, with the compass in the top left, and further down we have trees that are useful for the specific role we're currently using. You can see here it says Manufacturing Cell, because we are currently using the NC Shop Floor Programmer role. And on the right hand side, we've got a simple shop floor wizard to help you get started and familiarise yourself with the programming workflow. We'll take a closer look at these operations in the next tutorial in the series. And don't forget, we're here to help. So if you have any questions or run into any difficulties during your installation, then be sure to get in touch with our expert technical support team via the details on screen.